Hi, Ben, it's Grandma. I thought I'd read you another story today. The story is called Do You Know Your Colors? Do you know what kind of bird that is? That's called a parrot. And there's red, yellow, and blue on there. Do you know your colors? See if I can turn it so you can see the book too. This color is red. My hat is red. The cardinal is red. Do you know what else is red? What else is red? The poinsettia is red in here. Paintbrush is red in there, isn't it? The berries on the tree are red. Yellow. Yellow. Yellow is the color of these flowers, the sunflower, the daffodil, and the daffodils. How many yellow things can we find? I see lemons, and I see a canary, the yellow bird. We have buttercups, and we have daffodils, or no, dandelions, sorry, not daffodils. These are daffodils, a pear, and a yellow butterfly up there, see him? All things yellow. Blue, blue. This color is blue. The blue jay is blue, and the water is blue. There's blueberries, there's bluebells, blue spruce, that's a tree, a blue dragonfly, blue iris, and blue morning glory. The color blue. This color is orange. Now, yellow and red together, if you mix them, make the color orange. And some butterflies in the autumn leaves are orange. The fox is orange. There's that butterfly that's orange. There's also these things called a newt or a lizard. They can be orange. Tiger lilies, I have those in my yard. Tiger lilies are orange. And same with the autumn leaves, which maybe sometime you'll be here and see some autumn leaves. I'll have to wait and see. This color is green. Look, the frog is green, isn't it? And the turtle is green. The green color can be the algae or lily pads in the water. If you go outside, you might see grass that is green, and you might see some bugs that are green too. So you probably have green by you. How about purple? Purple. If you mix red and you mix blue together, that makes purple. I probably didn't mention though to you, in green, if you mix the colors yellow and blue together, that will make green. But red and blue make purple, and they make purple grapes and pansies and a purple butterfly. And I don't know what this is. I would say he's the purple monster, isn't he? And thistles. Thistles are purple. They also can be pointy, so you got to be careful not to pick them up. Now there's black. Now some ants are black and some berries are black, and there are black birds that I actually hear right now. And there's also blackberries, and there's blackberry pie, which is very yummy. Now there is the color white. I am painting the brown fence white. See, he's painting it white, so it won't be brown anymore. Now there's the snowman that is white. And do you see other things that are white? There's a white bunny, and there's a white owl, and I'm not sure what that is, but I know there's also white foxes, and there's white roosters and ducks, and there's the snowman, which unfortunately, if you live in Arizona, you're not going to see or build, so maybe you'll see a snowman some other time. Now here is brown. If you mix the colors red and yellow and blue and black all together, you're going to make the color brown. Now, there are lots of brown things. There's brown rabbits. I see brown rabbits by you. And there's brown little mice, and there might be brown little mice by you. And there's moths that are brown, beavers and pine cones, and cattails. We have lots of cattails by us. And there's a little wren. I have wrens by me that are brown. And there's one little brown beetle, which you probably see brown beetles there too. So the color brown. What about pink? Now, granted, this is Grandma's favorite color. Mommy's not the biggest fan of pink, but Grandma likes pink. Now, if you put white and red together, that mixes together and it'll make pink, okay? Flamingos are pink. We can see those at the zoo if you come here. Pigs are pink. You can find a pink rose. And there's pink carnations. And your tongue's kind of pink color. The kitty's tongue's pink too. Now there's the color gray. What kind of animal is that? An elephant. Elephants are gray, aren't they? If you mix the color white and black together, you'll make the color gray. Now there's the biggest animals that are gray, and there's little lizards that are gray, and there are little birds that are gray. Those are called juncos. I see those in the winter time when they're here. So, and there's lots of rocks. You might see lots of rocks by you that might be gray. You might have to go on a rock hunt sometime. Then we have the color that's tan. The tan is kind of a color brown, but if you put a little white with it, it gets a little lighter color brown. And there's lots of tan things out there. Birds are brown. Some dogs are brown. I bet Buddy is brown. You might have to look. I think Buddy's brown though. Kitties can be browns. Ponies can be brown. And the sand. Sand is brown. If we go to Florida, you'll see the sand and it's brown. And also sandpipers. And we see sandpipers and they're brown too. Olive color. That's a weird olive. Your olive is not that color, is it? Your olive is a doggy. It's black. But there's also olives that are kind of a green color. And if you put green and yellow together, it kind of makes that olive looking color. Then there's lavender, which is another shade of purple. And if you put purple and white together, you make a lavender color, which is kind of a pretty color too. But it's just a light purple color. So look at all those colors. We have red and yellow and blue and green and orange and purple and brown and white and pink, tan, black, gray, olive, and lavender. Do you know the names of all those colors? Love you. I hope you enjoyed your book today.